Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw your money from Pocket Option to Binance. So first of all, you need to get your USDT wallet address from Binance. So how to do it? You need to click deposit in the top right corner, then select deposit crypto. In the first gap, you need to choose USDT. And in the network, you need to choose your favorite network, guys. So in most cases, people are using TRC20 or BIP20 networks. I will choose TRC20, and you need to copy the wallet address. Now you need to go back to Pocket Option, and you need to go to the Finance section on the left side. Then go to the Withdrawal, and from here you can withdraw your money, of course, if you have got available balance, guys. So we copied the wallet address from Binance. You need to select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. So in this case, you need to choose USDT, and be careful with the network. You need to select exactly same network you choose here, guys. So we have chosen TRC20 network, so you need to choose the TRC20 network also here, and you need to paste the wallet address. Finalize the transaction, and that's all. You will transfer your money from Pocket Option to your Binance account. Typically, a withdrawal request is proceed automatically and takes few minutes, but keep in mind that in some cases it might take up to 3 business days. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.